What up, guys? Up bright and early. I already know the vibes. I'm in the Charger. Charger's back. I did one last air check on the Charger. So basically the way I did it was I opened the radiator cap, right? Just try to just release all the air. Open up the radiator cap, put the heat on high, let the car get to normal temperature, let it do what it do, let the thermostat open up, let it purge out, just monitor the bottle, let it purge out. But the first time when I did it, it bubbled up, it did what it did. So we're in a good spot with the air trap gone, ATI. So as I said, PSA, look at your harmonic balancer. When I get a moment, I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna basically show y'all the motor, basically how everything sound, all of that. So yeah, today supposed to rain, so not really seeing like shows or nothing, but today got a few personal things I gotta do, and I will be doing the oil change on Renzel, and I have to do something on the box Chevy. So the box Chevy I may take it out and do a quick POV on it, because it really need a wash. It needs to wash bad. As I said, I didn't wash. I just washed the Charger, but the Charger's not. I have to wash it again because I did a bucket wash, but it wasn't the bucket wash I intended. So I really need to clean the rims and really need I didn't even clean the interior. So the Charger it needs to get done again. And the old school really, that was since last year. Honestly, I didn't clean that car. So, and then I'm getting ready for the removal of the condenser on that. So basically that's kind of like what my day is, DIY stuff like that. The Belmore video, by the time this video come out, the Belmore should be out. It's basically processing and doing what it's doing. That was pretty good. Winner was a gentleman named Mike. He had a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. Great bodywork, clean. Didn't see the motor, what was in the motor, but you know how that goes sometimes. So but other than that, basically the surface and everything was pretty clean. So that was a good look. So as I said, just enjoying my Charger right now. Just want to get it cleaned up. Just gotta take all the stuff out the trunk, whatever. And yeah, we back on the road. I gotta see where it's gonna be my first show. I'm gonna take it to, and yeah, I want to start taking this box Chevy out, honestly. So I did the cheat code. Think I'm gonna go back into GTA mode. If y'all know, I had like a whole little wave, right? I was calling my box Chevy the Red Eye box Chevy, and I'll go into GTA mode. So GTA mode is like, just a different pattern of light, the aggressiveness, the video game vibe. So that's what I mean by GTA mode. So the original name of the car is the Orange Box, but I think we're gonna activate GTA mode again because of the fact that I hit it with a cheat code. I did the full custom exhaust, you know what I mean? So just having fun with it, man. Basically, man, just having fun with all the cars. So when I be like, I'm going into GTA, it's just me having fun. That's it, just me being me, you dig? So I got a speed camera here. Where that speed camera? I know where it's at. So the same thing like this, I go in track mode. Yo, when I go in GTA mode on the box Chevy, y'all go see the stands, y'all go in and hear the sound. It is what it is. So alright. So as I said, I just wanted to tap in. This video more than likely will continue. This is just the starting of my morning. So just want to tap in with y'all. Tune in, and I'll be right back. Alright, for those who are new to my channel, my name is Life with Mike LS. I'm in my 2020 Dodge Charger wide body F8 green. All right, I'm gonna do a quick walk around and basically I'm gonna pop the hood and I'm gonna show you the last work that was done with the damper. PSA, watch out for the falling damper that happens in Dodge Chargers and Dodge Challengers. It happened to me. So basically, I'm gonna do a quick walk around real quick. As y'all can see, this is a real F8 green. This is F8 green. Looking kind of clean, but not all the way clean. Got to get in between here. Got to get the brush. Got to brush it out. Got to brush it up. Y'all already know the vibes. One of a kind. One of a kind. Got the gold lug nuts, but some of these lug nuts basically caught some kind of corrosion or something, and it swelled up. So I got to basically re-hit it with the gold plating, as y'all can see. Pretty good. As y'all can see, man, y'all see the vibes right there. Nothing else is getting done to the Charger for the summer. No more remixes, no more nothing. I got too much projects, too much things going on, and I really don't got the time. All right, so let's get into the engine bay real quick. All right, so this is kind of like what we're looking at right now. It's kind of dirty, as I said. So this is the fan is on actually. So as y'all can see, the big pulley spinning. If y'all can see, I don't know if I'm trying to get a good angle with the camera, but basically new belt, new ATI. Didn't have a choice, got it done. Motor's dirty, gotta get that washed. Dodge, somebody in the dealer broke this clip. I'm trying to get that clip so I can put this big ass plug back, because right now we're just laying here just super hot on shit. Yeah, so this is basically what I'm looking like right now. I'm back in business. I'm back. I put some miles on it already. Basically I purged out all the air. This is where the coolant is standing right now. So we in a good spot. And as I said, I still was in DIY work mode, because I ain't afraid of high. That's my Insta 366, not bad in the interior. But the trunk, Mike Gillespie getting busy. Bathsheba, all the necessary mechanic, DIY, got the clothes, all that, you know what I mean? All that still, because I'm about to basically just finish up my projects on this not on this or on my vehicles. I do have to get front brake pads, so I'm about to order that actually, front brake pads. So all right, just wanted to basically show y'all my 2020 Dodge Charger. Got a hundo on it. And everything feel good right now, sound good. I'm ready to actually beat up the road, but as I said, I got to do one more good clean. I have to, and clean up the interior, do all that, whatever. So yeah, all right, man. So as I said, who's next? The GTA orange box is next, activated. All right, guys, I did it again. I did a whole conversation and I ain't have my mic on. I don't know. I'm not ready for this right now. And let me get my light. Gotta take out this oil pan. So it says a little hot in the garage today. Trapped a lot of heat. So I'm just trying to get this done real quick. Made a little mess underneath here. Not like me, but it happens. It happens. Get this oil pan up, and in the corner. Yep, made a little mess, but it's all good because this box is going in the garbage now. And just put this oil in here, and then basically that is it for the night. I just wanted to change the oil. I don't know how the weather is gonna hold up tomorrow. I don't know what I'm driving tomorrow. As I said, the charge is ready, but the charge is not cleaned up the way I want it to be. So I don't know if I'm driving that tomorrow or what the hell, man. Or I may just jump in good old Renzel like I always do. So I got that done. At least I got it drained, put it like that. It's not done, but at least it's drained. Now time to basically refill. I got two big boys, so I have to. Where's my light? My light here. That's a good light, but this kind of guy. What the hell happened here? I scraped it on the ground. Alright, whatever. What are you doing tonight? Alright, so let's get this done. I gotta measure out. So this takes about, I don't know, it was saying it takes about like 6 quarts, but I think it takes, I put the long sleeve in there, the long sleeve filter. But what I did, I filled it up with some oil basically before I didn't put it in there empty, put it like that, so we don't have to, like, you know, try to pick up oil to put in there and all that. So I basically did it for it already. Let's get over here. I got one of these open already, so this should be pretty quick. Actually, should I put the camera on the other side, people? My bag. Kind of got it over here, but y'all need to be over here, really. Mobil 1, high mileage. Walmart, $24. Not bad. So, alright, Renzel. Then I'm gonna show y'all basically the percentage where it's at now from the on the dash. I actually gotta change the oil in the Toyota too. I think because usually what I do, I put the trip miles to see, you know, I always look at the trip mile. I know people don't use a trip mile, but I use a trip miles. So when I reset the oil, or maybe like if I'm doing like a test on the vehicle or something like that, the trip miles is very important. So let's see this, how I'm gonna do this. I gotta finesse it now, people. So as I said, I do, these things don't even be full to like what they be saying, what they said, this is 5 quarts. It's not even, they kind of like don't fill it to like all the way to the top. They kind of do like some okey doke whatever, but we gonna see. We gonna see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pour, and then I'm gonna check, because I don't have a, what I was gonna actually do. I had some empty bottles from before, some like 1 quarts, whatever. But basically I actually dumped old oil in it. So let's put some oil in here, and then I'm gonna check. And it was up to like here, so it maybe took about 1 quart. So let me get some tissue here, and let me see exactly where I'm at with this. Let me hit it again. So 1 dot is not full, so I don't need much actually in here. So I kind of like, it's recommended 6 quarts, but it takes a little bit more than 6 quarts for some reason for this big ass motor. That's crazy, right? So I'll just put a smidgen more. And then I have extra oil, as I'm supposed to. And where am I at? Alright, to check it again, like this. And the spot it needs to be. So check this out one more time. Yep, all my dots is filled. So alright, that's good. And yeah, that's it. So I got that done. I'm happy I got that done. I needed to get that done because of the fact that, as I said, this garage is we getting these 90-degree weather, and I'm not gonna be in this at all. I have to I ordered, as I told y'all before, if y'all was, I ordered what's it called, the condenser for the box Chevy. But if it's too hot, that ain't going on. F that, because as I said, this thing, when it gets hot, it gets too hot, and I'm not doing it. So I gotta actually track it tonight to see when it's coming. That really shouldn't be like too much of a crazy job, but I would have to maybe, like, if I have to do it, I'm gonna do it like in sections. I'm gonna do it like in pieces, piece, because as I said, when the hair get hot, it was a different kind of hot, people. Different. All right, but other than that, just bust that down. This is just a quick video of what I'm doing in this hot ass garage. So basically, let me move this up. Yeah. If you new to the channel, as I said, y'all already know the vibes. Renzel for the tow. Scat pack is free. Box Chevy is still over there in the corner. Gotta get washed. I washed this up a little bit. Don't look too bad. And you already know, Renzel just gotta get a complete wash, and then we back in business. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna tab back. I'm gonna end this video right now because, as I said, man, it's super hot, and I'm about to clean up and get out of here. So catch you on the next one. Peace.